traveling with the Costas down in Seattle, Washington.
Hey everybody, we just landed in Seattle.
Seattle.
And we could have rented a car.
Home with Starbucks.
Uber.
Uber,
Could
yeah.
have done a taxi. But we
No
were on
taxi.
a city bus on an adventure.
Yep. Headed to Bellevue.
Oh,
baby.
Oh my.
That's why I didn't. That's why I was trying to situate everything.
Sorry. Oh.
She just had a faux pas of a purse, so I gotta go help with the purse. So we'll see you later. Hey everybody, it's Sean on All Dreams Travel, traveling with the Costas. Hashtag traveling with the Costas, that is. Hey, we just got into Seattle for a dance convention with Caitlin, and we checked into the Seattle Marriott Bellevue, that's right, Seattle Marriott, room 1120, 1120, and here's the room tour. So you come in, you've got nice little pergo type floors. You've got 2 queen beds here. We had the option to do a king and a pull out, or the queen, and we went with the king or the queens. You got a little closet here with an ironing board right out the front door, and it's a little rack. It's got some storage up here. It's got storage under there, and so fridge and coffee maker are in here. Got a little fridge, a little coffee maker. We have the club level, so we can get appetizers here tonight. We got a little safe up in here. Opens like that. Close that. There's the 2 queen beds. Little desk that rolls around however you want it. Big TV, big screen TV, just like at home. Got a little chair, lamps. Our view's got some construction going on, so it's not the greatest view yet, but see if we can open it up. I'm not going to focus on that, but you can see a little bit out there of Bellevue. And there's the lamp. Let's look for little charging stations under the beds, close to your bed. So let's go and check out the bathroom. So it's got this fancy glass barn door. If you like the barn doors, which I kind of do, it's a heavy piece of glass, I bet. And get in there with the lighted mirror. Nice little shallow sink. Get your towels, and then you got your shower here. So pretty nice room for the what is this, a Nouveau Dance Convention here in Seattle Bellevue. So Sean from All Dreams Travel, traveling with the Costas. We'll see you at the next rope drop. Bye now from the room.